So here, to define a macrostate in this case would be a set of 5 cards from the deck. So a macrostate would simply be any set of 5 cards. And then the microstate would be, in a way, constituents of the macrostate. So we say that a microstate would be a specific set of cards that meet the criterion of a macrostate. So essentially, a macrostate would be the set of 5 cards. However, a microstate would be a specific set of cards that meet the criterion of a macrostate. Therefore, for every macrostate, there could be many microstates. However, there's only those microstates can only define one macrostate. So essentially, we have many microstates under each macrostate. For set A, we have 4 aces, right? So we have all of the aces. However, one of the cards is a king, and that king can be of any suit. So essentially, we have 4 microstates for this macrostate. Each suit of the king. So we would have 4 macrostates for this macrostate because, again, if we have 4 aces, we can only choose the 4 aces in the deck. And then for the last card, we have 4 different kings that we can choose from, hence 4 different microstates for this macrostate. For B, every card is specified. Every card specified. So here, only one microstate for this macrostate. C, we have 2 pairs of jack. We have a pair of jacks, a pair of queens, and then an ace. So we could have 6 possible jack pairs, 6 possible queen pairs, and then we have 4 different aces. Therefore, we would have 6 times 6 times 4 equaling 144 microstates for this specific macrostate. And for part D, we have, for part D, simply we have 52 possibilities for first card. Then we have 48 for the second card. Of course, 44 for third, and so on. So essentially, we have essentially a 52 times 48 times 44 ... We can say that we have a large number of microstates. So very large. It wouldn't really be worth it to count it because we can just find the probability as of now. So in terms of increasing probability, we have these scenarios. So the one with the least probability would, of course, be B, because there's only one microstate. So it'd be B. And then it would be A, because again, we only have 4 macrostates. Then it would be C, because we have 144 macrostates. And then, of course, for the highest probability would, of course, be D, because here we have a very, very large number of microstates for the specific macrostate. So this would be our answer in increasing probability. And that's the end of the solution. Thank you for watching.